Sawadee-ka. Hello everyone, I am Emma, and today I am going to try Thai food. Wow, there is so much food, but what is this? Today you will learn 3 phrases. First, let's learn some new words. Food. This is food. Thai food is very good. Spicy. Spicy means hot, like chili. Delicious. Delicious means very, very tasty. Try means to eat something for the first time. Good. Now let's learn our 3 phrases. Look at this. I don't know what it is. So I say, what is this? The vendor says, this is tom yum soup. Now you say it. What is this? Ready? Great job. What is this? Oh, this is so good. I say, it's delicious. It's delicious. 3 syllables. Delicious. Your turn. Say it with me. It's delicious. Wonderful. Oh, hot. I say, it's too spicy. Too spicy means very spicy. Too much. Say it. It's too spicy. Haha. Very good. Emma, what is this? Nong. This is mango sticky rice. It is sweet. Emma. It's delicious. Nong. Now try this one. Emma. Oh, it's too spicy. Water. Haha. That is som tum. Spicy papaya salad. Emma. It's delicious, but it's too spicy. Quiz time. Are you ready? Question 1. You don't know what the food is. What do you say? What is this? Question 2. The food is very tasty. What do you say? It's delicious. Question 3. The food is very, very hot. What do you say? It's too spicy. Perfect. You are a star. Today you learned 3 phrases. What is this? It's delicious. It's too spicy. Thai food is amazing, but sometimes very spicy. Next time, Emma goes on a tuk-tuk ride through Bangkok. She will learn, where are we going? How far is it? And stop here, please. See you next time. Bye-bye.